from Temp-tations. So, you know, Temp-tations brings us all of one of our favorite things for the kitchen, right? They bring us the stone ceramic pieces to cook in the kitchen, but we love their decor so much that now they bring us home decor, holiday decor. And this is one of the pieces that they bring us, indoor, outdoor safe. So I mean, obviously you want to put this outside, but this would be really, really cute in a planter, in a pot, indoors as well, with all of our favorite Temp-tations characters. I know Wimbley the reindeer, I never forget his name, but then there's Frosty, and there's the gingerbread man, and there's the penguin, and you have your sign, the cutest sign, Penny the penguin. Thank you. Gumdrop the gingerbread. We think Gumdrop is the gingerbread. Bojangle is the snowman, and he's Wimsley, right? Wimbley, yes. Thank you, Erin, that was phenomenal. So this is the metal sign, so it's done in metal, super cute. It comes with the stake, so you can put it into the mulch, into the ground, into the grass, whatever it is. So you don't ever have to bring it inside, and then you get to choose your own adventure, or the kids get to choose their own adventure, or we all do. Do you want to go to Santa's workshop? Do you want to go to the reindeer crossing? Do you want to go to the North Pole to visit Santa? Yes, we do. Or do you want to go to Gumdrop's house? I want to go to Gumdrop's house, or Santa's work. And I think I want to go, where do I want to go? To Santa's workshop and go see all of the toys that he's making for us. You have no choice to make. This is it. The clearance sale price right now is $19.96. This was normally $45. We are down to our final quantities. That's why we can be so lucky to get it at this price. Wow. For an easy payment of $665, this is coming home to you. It is 11 inches in height and 30.5 inches in height and 11 inches across. All right, so it is a nice size. It is the cutest thing right there next to the fireplace. Love it. Or again, outside, because it is fully indoor, outdoor safe. This clearance sale price is going to go up to the regular clearance price. So this is the lowest of the low that we're going to see it. Whenever we see clearance sale, you know how excited I get. Because we know that it will be going up. I don't know exactly when, but it's going to go back up to the clearance price. So if you're on the fence, don't get off the fence and get it, because whenever you see clearance sale, it is the lowest that we can offer it, and then it's going to go back up to the regular clearance price. But the colors are gorgeous and saturated. The characters are absolutely adorable. Penny the penguin, Wimbley the reindeer, we have Gumdrop, which is the gingerbread man, and I really hope that we got that right. And then the snowman, did you say, Erin? Do you remember? Bojangle, I think. Yeah, Bojingle, we think. Well, I mean, we could actually name them our own names, but they are beautiful. They're the same characters that if you have any of the Temp-tations pieces, the holiday pieces at home for the kitchen, or, you know, for your table, the plates and all of that. I actually do have my holiday set for Christmas dinner is actually a Temp-tations set. And it is just adorable, and it is so durable, and you can do so much with all of the Temp-tations cookware, but I love that we can tie it into our home decor as well. Bright and beautiful and whimsical and fun for kids and big kids alike. Just something different, something unique. Put it on your lawn, put it in the mulch, put it in an urn like right there at the front door, or even inside by the fireplace, by the Christmas tree, or in any corner of the house. It just gives a cute little, I mean, game to play in reality. You could say, where does anybody feel like going today? Who doesn't want to go to Santa's workshop? Who doesn't want to go to a gingerbread house? Who doesn't want to go to a reindeer crossing and go see and hang out with the reindeer? And who doesn't want to go to the North Pole? So I'm going to show you the back. It is durable metal right there, so indoor, outdoor safe. 3 easy payments of $665. Do you see? It's a clearance sale price of $19.96. H262933 is the item number for that. Okay, so we don't wait for the holidays to get you ready, and we don't wait for the holidays, and we don't wait for Black Friday to get you ready in November. We bring you Black Friday in July, baby. So talk about all of the best prices. So just search Black Friday on QVC.com, and you're going to be able to get a jump start on the gift giving season. And again, take some of that stress away. Oh, we were outside for a little bit. Welcome to Inside. Okay, we're gonna start getting cozy now, right? And we don't need to wait